After a long day, we started our journey. Again, we started, uh, vlogging. This- So right now, we are leaving Bangalore for Munnar.
viewpoint while entering Munnar, and we are really excited. Wow, this is huge. See the height of
So ये एक स्पाइस गार्डन है. We are going in. We have a guide who will be guiding us.
This is the beginning stage of nutmeg. You can see like this very small in size. So this is the beginning stage of nutmeg, and from this time onwards, nutmeg moves further.
पूरा nearly 300 acres plantation comes under like KFS केरला फॉरेस्ट का पूरा आयुर्वेदिक जड़ी बूटियों के बारे में और स्पाइसेस के बारे में मैंने जानकारी देगा आपको. अगर कोई भी डाउट है तो आपको पूछ सकते हैं मुझे. एंड हर एक लाइफस्टाइल डिजीज के लिए मेडिसिन अवेलेबल है सोसाइटी में. अगर कौन सी भी चाहिए तो आपको ले सकते हैं. अगर रिजल्ट नहीं मिला 24/7 कैशबैक पॉलिसी से कराए हुए एंटायर इंडिया में केरला इज नंबर 1 फॉर आयुर्वेद एंड स्पाइसेस. ओके आइए. ये गोल गोल वाली दिख रहे हैं ना, ये होते हैं जायफल और जावित्री का पेड़. हाँ, ये नॉर्मली पक जाने के बाद में
इधर एदिका
कॉफी में 2 टाइप्स के होते हैं, कॉफी रोबस्टा एंड कॉफी. ये होते हैं अरेबिका. अपना कर्नाटक में
today is day 2 in Munnar, and I have come for a small walk just 2 minutes from our hotel and explored this beautiful tea garden. And this is Attupat waterfall, which is just few minutes away from our resort which we are staying in. This is just called the picturesque perfect view of Munnar. And we just missed the sunset by 5 minutes. Sorry, sunrise by 5 minutes. And this is my dad and this is me.
Hi.
So guys, this is our first elephant ride as a family. Here are other two members who are scared to even actually I am also a little bit scared, but it's okay. And here is Prachi, her first ever elephant ride, and she's excited. So they will charge 700 rupees per head, and for photography they'll have additional 300 rupees. So like this person, he'll be clicking photos like around 20-25, that's what he promised. And once we reach the starting point, they'll give us the digital copy of it.
Mama, তুমি হাতির কান দেখতে পাচ্ছো? হাতির কান।
तो ये है मथुपेट्टी डैम, तो एलिफेंट कैंप के पास ही है ये. This is a very good view.
This is the top station view. Oh, and it is all covered with clouds. So hard luck seeing the actual view.
It's all cloudy today, but at least like we got to see some good views from here. And finally we had some cold weather, because Munnar overall as of now it was hot, so at
Around
least now
20
it
degrees.
feels like we came to a hill station. So yeah, it's a bit trek, and along with kids, so it was little bit breathtaking, but this is, I think it's worth it.
Hi guys, so we are just spending some time here seeing other people riding boats, because it is really calm and serene.
This is the other side of the dam. And this is the entire view. People here click photos and all. We also did, and we took a print out. So next time if I come, I might come on bike with my group. That time I'll have some boat rides. And also today, as my kid is very small, we are not spending much time here because it is rainy. So let's keep the boat riding for the next time.
Spices, a package of spices having like 6-7 types of spice. Few packets of teas, green teas, black tea, and chocolates. This is a special green tea.